So without a doubt, one of the most important factors for your Shopify store is how strong your offer is. Now, I'm not referring to just putting 40% off the sales price, which all websites are doing, but what's your actual marketing message that fits the type of customer that you're trying to target? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a good offer, how to actually study your competitors, and what are the other marketing angles that you can use to advertise your products. Because you might be selling a product that damn well will work. You might have just picked a dropshipping product and you're testing it with creatives and you're finding that the creatives are failing. But that might be because you're marketing towards the incorrect marketing angle. So what we're looking for essentially is data points. Okay, so we're looking for information to back up the type of messaging that we are showing. Because you've got to understand, if you're not speaking to your target customer, they're not going to be interested in buying that product. So essentially with e-commerce offers, what we're trying to look for is a way that we can market our business to look like the only option a customer will choose. Now, how can we do that if it's a highly competitive market? Well, if you're selling the exact same product as somebody else, you need to try and upsell that product with extra services and offers. So what can we do? Stuff like free shipping, we can do price discounts, we can do bundle discounts, we can do money back guarantees, and we can do other selling points that's going to make you differentiated from your competition. So the good thing about e-commerce is we can go online and take a look at everything our competitors are up to. We can go in the Facebook ads library and look at their advertisements. We can of course go on the website, we can sign up to their email list, and we can see what type of things they're offering their customers. Now with that, we want to be able to look into competitive businesses and see what they are not doing. Because then we can go to upgrade our services to actually outshine the competitors. Essentially, how you've got to be thinking about your creatives and your advertising, that is the doorway to your building, and your building being the store, okay? So we're trying to make the doorway look as appealing as possible. And the way that we're going to do that is to directly speak to customers. Because remember, if you're selling to everybody, you're selling to nobody. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So yeah, I've come through with the flow chart presentation. Looking pretty good. So for the sake of the video, we're going to focus on this crystal hair eraser. Now, what we've got to remember is people are buying outcomes, not features. So you need to sell the hole, not the drill. Yeah. So when people are buying a drill, what they're actually buying is the hole. They're not buying the drill. So we need to focus on the outcome that the product is going to give the customer. Now, how do we find this out? So, because essentially our job is to identify customers' problems and get them to the desired solution. Now, how do we do that? Well, we need to craft a good offer to make that possible. So by doing this, we're going to create perfect marketing messaging, and you're going to be speaking directly to your customers. So you need to research these. You need to research where to get these. So where do I do research? So it's all online, okay? So first off, one of the actual best ways is on YouTube comments or any comment section in general. Comments on your competitors' ads, comments on YouTube, you know, whatever the case is. That's what you need to find. So literally search the products. So straight up here, it's got 440k views. So you know that that is gonna more than likely be a good source. So we want to be getting straight into that comment section, because you know this is the rawest form of feedback. So straight here, found this product works very well on the rough skin of my feet, like a callus remover or pumice stone. So, you know, we'll take that as that's a selling point as a customer problem. So if a customer problem's got rough feet, calluses, that can be a customer problem. So again, customers reporting it's painful, can be painful, painful hair removal. You know, we need to read through, and then you see skin irritation, cost, you know, and plus, if you know the product yourself and you're in the market, you can put some of these off the top of your head. But another good thing to do is test on Reddit, read through Reddit forums. Go on Reddit forums, Facebook comments, Facebook groups. Essentially, we're looking for anywhere where customers are leaving raw feedback. This can also be done on Amazon, Trustpilot reviews, all these different places. So then we need to think, what is the desired solution of this product? So for the hair removal product, it's going to be ideally hair removal. That's the ultimate goal. They want the hair removal, but they want the pain-free hair removal. You know, when we went on that YouTube video, we saw a lot of people commenting on the prices, so they want a good price. So essentially what we're trying to do is we're trying to get a customer. These are potential selling angles. So we're trying to get a customer that's got one of these issues, and we're trying to get them to here. This is where the power of the offer is going to be coming from. So essentially we want to jot down a few ideas of the offers that we can use. So if we're seeing rough feet, calluses, that's one of the problems that customers have. We could put, say goodbye to rough skin and enjoy callus-free skin removal. Then we might want to say pain-free hair removal, or we might want to put say goodbye to skin irritation with our pain-free hair removal tool. So can you see now how this is now bringing a customer from the problem to their solution, but we're saying it in a messaging that is directly talking to the pain points that we found customers are making. Now, if you can find a customer problem multiple times and you're seeing loads of customers stating that same problem, that's going to be an identifier that the problem is a big one in the industry. So essentially what we can do is we can create selling points around these and make a nice offer and include that offer into our marketing messaging or on our website to then give the customer the idea of they getting brought to the desired solution. So we're just trying to bridge this gap. Very simple. This is the process, okay? So it's identify the customer's problem, research customer needs, find out if it's a common problem or not. So this is two paths we can go down. If it's a common problem, then we can craft a solution. If it's not a common problem, this is where we can identify individual problems. Now, what you will find is you're going to find diamonds in the niches. So when you go into very specific problems, you're talking directly to that type of person. Whereas the market is smaller because your messaging is so much more direct. Because if I start selling, if you're a 30-year-old e-commerce entrepreneur, and you're a male, if I start selling men's e-commerce accelerators to Gen Z, then that's going to be speaking directly to you. When you read that, you're going to be feeling like that's directly tailored for you. So the marketing message can be very strong with those type of people. So then we're going to craft a special offer for the individual problems. And again, present this to the customer. So how are we going to present this to the customer? Ideally what we want to display this information on our website, but most importantly, we need it in the creatives on the advertisement. So whether you're just building in that through text, or you're including that on the top of the image, or you're including that on a static image ad, you need to be thinking how you can put those offers directly in to your marketing messaging on your website. What you don't want is, you don't want to be speaking terribly specific problems on the marketing, then they go on the web page and it's completely designed for something else. So, you know, you can go more niche down in the creatives, but you need to be able to craft an overall representation on what you are actually selling to speak directly to that customer. Because they need to look at an ad, click on that ad, and then when they click on the website, they know exactly where they are. So what you're going to do by offering this type of messaging is you're going to be speaking directly to customers, and you're going to be talking their language. So they're going to feel such a much more stronger message with that. Like, the marketers that are able to do this are the marketers that are winning in this game. And all it takes is a little bit of research. You know, YouTube comments, Facebook groups, Facebook comments, comments on your competitors' advertising, Reddit forums, YouTube videos. You can go on blogs and you can go on websites, read magazines. There's all these type of places, but if you spend the time to study the market, you're going to be able to create a message that converts like crazy. I hope that brought down how strong an e-commerce offer can be and what you actually need to do to get there. Follow this path, make a similar offer section, and you know, start testing. This is the key with this, we're testing. So we're finding irritation issues for customers through data, then we're testing those, get rid of the ones that don't work, the ones that do work, happy days. That's what we're looking for. So yeah, make sure you subscribe if you're wanting to get more e-commerce game. I've got a new video dropping every single week, so make sure you subscribe down below. Anything you need me to clear up on in this video, give me a shout. Like always, take it easy and best of luck with a successful week. Let's get it.